Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a 2018 270 SDX Outboard, pre-owned boat that we just took possession of. Give you a little information on the boat. It is a metallic blue hull side, which was a limited offering from Sea Ray. The boat has approximately 80 hours of use. Starting here on the swim platform, you see it's equipped with the Mercury 350 Verado. Have the sea deck matting as well. Nice, spacious, big storage under the swim pad or at the swim pad. As we step up into the cockpit, you have your stereo controls, freshwater shower. You have your step for coming off the dock over on the starboard side. Your wet bar sink is here as well. As we step further into the cockpit, you see the sports tower with the blue top. We also have the dune interior, which is a really great look for this boat. Good color combination, matches well. You have a cockpit table here. The subwoofer and onboard battery charger are located in the cockpit as well. We have the infinity woven carpet. Over on the port side, you have a pump out head, very spacious. Great feature on this boat. Over at the helm, you have the SimRad display, which shows all your engine data, your chart plotter, your sonar. You have the Bluetooth stereo, Mercury digital controls, as well as the active trim. As we move all the way forward, this boat does have the bow filler cushion, drop down armrest on each side as well. And of course we have the windlass all the way forward with the freshwater shower. So this is a very clean, lightly used boat. Again, about 80 hours. It's been kept in dry storage here at MarineMax since it was new. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.